So as you can see, I can't believe, I don't know if this land is bought or if it's free or it's already bought, but it looks pretty public here.
Yeah.
Oh, this
A
is
lot of
nice.
cows are grazing here.
Right. Just look at that vast land. This is what we inherited from our dear Father God. The plant.
Yeah.
This is beautiful, you know.
Uh-huh.
A lot of citidelas. Citidelas, you don't see this
Every day.
you know.
Yeah.
You don't look at this fresh manure.
Cow dung. I'm not gonna step on that.
That's fresh manure. Look at this. How long has this been?
And these things here. Where is it? Oh, that's a lost cow. It's been lost from the herd. Oh my god, it looks injured. It's limping. Oh my, I hope you get well soon, honey. It's a beautiful day, beautiful day. Homes, yeah. Look at that beautiful house over there. It's so beautiful. You know, you were worried about this cow charging at us, but it doesn't look like it will do much with that broken leg. You know, it's so beautiful.
That person who built those homes, do people even live there? This place is
No,
very
I think
remote.
since it's near African Nazarene. Oh, by the way, you guys are not using the main road for African Nazarene. It's just on the other side of those buildings. We've decided to use a shortcut, but I think the one who built those ones, he intended for them to be hostels or something like that, because like these
But
sides of town,
it doesn't look like it's got much going on.
yeah. Oh, this cow is trying to catch up with the rest of its herd. I think it's there, over there. Oh man, let me hurry up. I don't want to be
Following us.
No, it's catching up with the other cows over there. Don't know if y'all can see them. Let me just zoom in. Those ones, yeah. Which ones? No, let's just use this one wherever we. This place looks like Ocha. Nini? That condo is big and fat, yeah. Gee.